Hello, my name is Garcia Armada. I am a professor in a university in Madrid. It's called Carlos III University of Madrid, Spain. And I am also a senior IEEE member. As a professor, I do research in wireless communications, and I'm also teaching the new generations of wireless communications engineers. I work in signal processing for communications. In particular, I look at problems related to transmitting and receiving information through wireless, and I try to find solutions, for example, to estimating and compensating the channel effects, or the phase noise, or the nonlinear effects of amplifiers, or in general, looking at what waveforms can be good for such kind of environments. I started working in OFDM, which was new at the time I started my research career. And I took OFDM, I contributed to its development all the way from the beginning single user to multi-user, then through combination with MIMO, massive MIMO, and today self-free massive MIMO. One important one is that we always want to use higher frequencies, and another is the energy consumption that needs to be kept as small as possible. And also we would like the communications to work when people are on the move and even at high speeds. And all this requires, of course, a lot of work in the waveform domain. Also, we would like to achieve both communications and sensing with the same system. So I'm trying to find solutions to that. I'm trying to find new waveforms, new multi-carrier waveforms that evolve from OFDM. And I try to do all this in a way that is both theoretical, but also trying to do some projects that are more applied. There is a project that I like very much that we recently finished, where we were using a 5G millimeter wave link to provide immersive video and music therapy in a nursing home to the elderly people. And it was really nice to see them smile. When you see people smiling, you realize how important and how powerful our technologies are. I think in the future of wireless communication, there is a very important challenge, which is energy consumption. We need to find ways to really reduce the energy that we are consuming in the system as a whole. And this requires a very multidisciplinary approach that requires many different expertise related to wireless communications. I think there is an important challenge that is finding what comes after MIMO. Maybe perhaps reconfigurability, the way to engineer somehow the channel, is a way to find more degrees of freedom that we would need for an evolution of our technologies. In particular, I'm interested in understanding how we can use arrays of liquid antennas to try to shape the array because of the fluid nature of the antenna, and try to find if this can bring us more degrees of freedom and an evolution towards unexpected results and techniques in wireless. I decided to go for an academic career when I started teaching. So the first moment I tried and I realized how fun it is to teach and to help other people develop their career, I realized I wanted to do this and forever. To young persons starting in communications, I would tell them this is a fantastic moment. I mean, we have, with our technologies, we have revolutionized the world, but we cannot imagine what is going to happen in the next maybe 10 or 20 years. The revolution can be even more amazing, and it is up to them to imagine and then shape and build the new communications of tomorrow. So I would say go for it and enjoy it. ComSoc is where I connect because it is where I find all the information that is relevant for my career as a professor. It's also where I meet my colleagues. Some of them have become my longtime friends.